Do you want to know how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp Messenger without any app? See how to read WhatsApp deleted messages. This message was deleted without using any apps or backup. View WhatsApp deleted messages recovery. WhatsApp deleted messages for everyone show. This message was deleted. When you delete message on WhatsApp and the recipient will not able to recover WhatsApp deleted chat. In this video I will show you two methods to easily see deleted WhatsApp messages without any app. So, let us start. Method 1. Using notification log. Notification log feature is available on most Android phones. To use the notification log feature, just follow the following steps. Please note that your phone's settings may have this slightly different depending on your manufacturer and Android version. Open the settings of your Android phone. Now go to Notifications. Then Advanced Settings. Tap on Notification History. Here you will find all the Android notifications from the past along with the erased WhatsApp messages which were showcased as notifications. If this trick not recover deleted WhatsApp messages for you, then you need to use a third-party application. Method 2. Use third-party apps. There are many Android applications that you can use in order to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. Go to Google Play Store and find the app WA and click on the Install button. Once the installation process is complete, launch the app and grant the necessary permissions in order to access the app. After giving the permissions, go back to the previous screen and select an app or apps for which you want to restore the notifications. From now every message that you will receive on WhatsApp, including the deleted messages, will be available on this application. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.